What's up, Financial Hawks? It's Eric, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 10 major IPOs to look at for 2021. So right before we start, let's go ahead and go over what an IPO is. An IPO is short for Initial Public Offering. And just breaking that down just slightly, it's pretty much the process by which a private company can go public by sale of its stock to the general public. So basically the new stocks that will be popping up that you'll be able to buy right at the start. Alright, so we're going to be reviewing this article from US News, the money section. And yeah, we'll be going over their top 10 major upcoming IPOs, and I'll be giving my thoughts on these. This was made in February 4th, 2021, so maybe a couple of these may have already came out. We'll see Coinbase and whatnot there. So first off, we have Bumble. And as you can see, one of the only two names on last year's list of highly anticipated IPOs that didn't go public in 2020. Bumble enters the year as arguably the single hottest company tapping public markets in 2021. Now, this one I think is actually going to do pretty well. I'm thinking. I mean, Bumble, Tinder. If you don't know what Bumble is, it's like a dating app similar to Tinder, except on Bumble, the girls message you first. So we'll definitely see how that goes. I wouldn't mind investing in this company. Last year would have been a great year, 2020, when everybody was locked down. Lockdowns are slowly getting better and better. So I'm not exactly sure if it would have gotten as much as last year, but we'll see. If that's something that you guys like, dating, with the apps, it may be something you might want to look into. All right, next up we got Instacart. All right, it's no surprise that Instacart, the grocery delivery app, is anxious to go public. Its closest analog among the 2020 IPOs was DoorDash, which saw rapid investor demand going public at a $32 billion valuation before soaring on its first day of trading to a valuation of roughly $70 billion. Instacart, another big one that I would personally invest in. I've actually recently used Instacart, maybe about a month ago. Overall, I'm liking the app. I'm like how you're able to talk with the shoppers while they're shopping. I thought that was pretty cool because I don't think you can actually do that with a lot of the other apps I use, especially Walmart app, their delivery. So Instacart is something I would definitely invest in if I had, some extra money put aside for that. All right. Next up, Robinhood markets. All right. Now, on this one is saying it's crazy the difference that a month can make. Entering 2021, Robinhood was undoubtedly one of the hottest upcoming IPOs for 2021. The no commission trading app, which turns 8 this year, rapidly gained okay, cool. So yeah, Robinhood, you guys probably heard about all the craziness that went on with this. I think this was around the time that the GameStop stock problems and issues and all that craziness was going on. A lot of people were leaving Robinhood, but apparently a lot of people are coming back to Robinhood, or at least back in February. So hey, if you guys want to invest in Robinhood, that's cool. I personally probably would not invest in Robinhood, maybe not yet. I'm more leaning towards some of the other stock investing sites, but hey, maybe if you don't care about all the craziness that was going on with GameStop, Robinhood may be something easy for you. Number 5, freaking lost count. Nextdoor, adopting Robinhood's agnostic approach to exactly how it will go public, either a traditional IPO, direct listing, or reverse merger. Okay, and then a whole lot of other stuff right there. Nextdoor, I haven't actually used Nextdoor. I'm pretty sure a lot of you people who are watching this video, you may be aware of Nextdoor. Personally, I don't really know too much about it. It looks like it's dealing with houses and whatnot, or maybe renting. So I wouldn't invest in it because I don't know enough about it. But hey, maybe if you are in that field, it may be something you may want to look into. All right. Next up is Stripe. If Stripe goes public in 2021, it could be the most valuable company of the year to make the private to public leap. All right, definitely the hottest upcoming IPO for 2021. The payments processing software company has already successfully attained a valuation higher than all previous companies mentioned, raising $600 million at a $36 billion price tag in April 2020. Now, I know a little bit about Stripe. yeah, as we both saw, it's a processing, it's a payment processing company, and with everything becoming more and more digital, I think that will be a big one. So if you are thinking about investing into one, I think Stripe will be a good one to definitely look into, especially for myself now. The business side and all that. I think I actually use Stripe for one of my websites. I want to say, or at least I want to say it was Stripe, or the website itself uses Stripe, and I'm somewhere affiliated with it. But I have heard of Stripe before, so yeah, maybe I might do some more research myself. But I'm liking Stripe. Next up, Roblox. Although Roblox initially planned to go public last year in the IPO, the company delayed that move after massive opening day jumps in stocks such as Airbnb and DoorDash. Yeah, Roblox is a big one. I remember my ex, her brother, used to love playing Roblox. He was younger, and I played it a few times here and there. And then after we broke up, I think I ended up playing with him a few more times on Roblox. For me personally, it was like a big game, but then again, I am older now. Probably if I were younger still, I'd probably be on that a lot. Same like Fortnite. Roblox is actually doing pretty good. If I'm not mistaken, this is already released, I want to say 2 months ago. Actually, you know what? While we're still here, let's check that. I'll check that right now. Roblox Stock. Yeah, okay. It did release right now. Shares are at about $79.66. Let's see the 6-month evaluation. Okay, so it looks like it started at about $69.50, and we're almost at 80. So yeah, if you did buy right at the start, you did get a slight increase. I think Roblox is probably going to be a big game, similar to Fortnite in its appeal to younger kids. So if you are a gamer and you want to go ahead and invest into gaming stocks, I think Roblox actually may be a good pick. Next up, we have Coinbase. Perfect timing. We were just mentioning this earlier. So, leading cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase is well deserving of its place among the top 2020 IPOs to watch. Its currencies is Bitcoin, Ethereum hit all-time highs. Okay, cool. So yeah, Coinbase is the app that allows you to buy a lot of the cryptocurrencies, if I'm not mistaken. This one just released. Let's take a look at that right now.
5 hours later.
It took like freaking 5 hours, but we finally found it. Took a minute to find. Okay, it looks like at Coinbase right now, the price is $325.56. It looks like we had a slight increase, but literally that just came out. A lot of people have been talking about this on Twitter and on Instagram, on Twitter, Instagram, and all the other social medias, pretty much saying that they're ready to sell a lot of their other stock so they can buy some of this Coinbase stock. So for me, I heard about this stock before, and I had originally planned on investing into this. Things happened, so my mind changed, so I didn't invest into it yet. Maybe down the line. We'll see. But yeah, if you are a cryptocurrency investor, or you are a big fan of just cryptocurrency in general, I would definitely look into this. Coinbase, I think is going to be pretty big. Next up, we have UIPath. UiPath is one of the leading companies in the robotic process automation space, recently raising $750 million at a $35 billion valuation in a private funding round. Now, I don't really know too much about UiPath, but hey, it's cool to see more robotic stuff getting some recognition. I'm pretty sure if I did some more research, I probably wouldn't like some of the stuff that they're working on. But yeah, this one I probably wouldn't invest until I do more research. I definitely recommend you guys doing your research before you start investing stuff that you know about. Next up, we have DotSpot. I thought that was something different, but DotSpot, not the other DotSpot, but this DotSpot, a play on big data. DotSpot is a technology and analytics company that could go public later in 2021. There aren't yet official financials for investors. Okay, I really don't know anything about DotSpot either. Again, something you would definitely have to do your research on that. And then we have a Census. I think that's how you pronounce that. A Census isn't the most exciting company in the world, but it has got the size to be taken seriously. A Census services 401k plans, RAs, 529 plans, and health savings accounts. Again, haven't heard of this company. It's kind of more one of those, I mean, just reading just that brief part of it, it seems like more one of those boring companies that will make you a lot of money over time. You know, it doesn't seem like it's one of those flashy ones like Coinbase or Bumble, something that everybody knows about. This is something that you would probably put into your portfolio, something that will just get you money, you know, year over year, just slowly, but it's not really volatile. So, hey, I mean, if that's, you know, your type of investing style, you know, you may want to look into this one. And yeah, guys, that's the top 10 major IPOs that we just saw on US news. Overall, I knew about a lot of those. It's cool that we actually have seen Coinbase has come out and also Roblox. I'm intrigued to see how Instacart and like they're going to end up going. But yeah, you know, maybe every week or maybe every couple of weeks, maybe every month we may do one of these, you know, just so we can give you guys an awareness of some of the stocks you definitely need to look into. I did do a one on Grand Theft Auto stock. You should definitely take a look at that one if you haven't already. And also, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.